reviewing the Kérastase hair and scalp scrub so that sometimes you can ditch those shampoos and try something new for a change for a much deeper cleanse. This one here is specifically designed for normal and sensitive scalps. They do have one which is in a blue tub, which is specifically designed for oily prone scalp and dandruff. I went for this because I do have normal scalp, but since I've started using this, I've realized that maybe I should have gone for the blue tub because I do use a lot of product in my scalp. I have done a review on a different hair scrub before, and that's from Christoph Robin. It's the Purifying Cleansing Scrub with sea salt. I will put that up here for you to watch as well. It's always good to use a deep cleanse scrub once in 15 days or maybe twice a month to take off all that buildup and grime that sits on your hairbed, which is the scalp. It helps in microcirculation and gives the scalp a deeper cleanse while also giving yourself a massage, unclogging those congested hair follicles and promotes skin renewal, and most importantly, optimizes scalp overall health. I thought I'll do a quick before and after. This is what my scalp looked like before I washed it, so you can see it's grimy, it's dirty. I like to start off by first brushing my hair with the Tangle Teaser, taking off all those knots, and then stepping into the shower, wet my hair completely, my hair and my scalp. And my preference is taking about maybe 1 tablespoon or maybe 1.5 tablespoons to kind of get into my scalp and really give it a good scrub. You could also use a scrub massager, that also works really well. You can just use this once, but I feel for my scalp, I had to use it twice. I generally take about 2 minutes, and that's something that could work for you as well. I have to say that this washes off really well, but it did leave the scalp dry. So I like to follow up with a good intensive hair mask. I generally like a more grittier scrub, kind of like the Christoph Robin or the blue Kérastase jar. But since I had this on hand, I just used it twice and it worked really well by cleaning my scalp really well. I liked using this. It did leave the scalp very clean without damaging my cuticles, but I think if I have to buy it again, I would try the blue tub next. You get about 250 ml of product in this tub. I'm not a big fan of the packaging. I feel like it would be much better if it came in a tube. I bought mine from the Look Fantastic website. If you're in the US, Sephora has them. Kérastase also has their own website. If you're in the UK, I know Look Fantastic carries them. Kérastase website in the UK has them as well. And I'll also put a link in the description box to Amazon. I know most of the salons, in Dubai at least, have them on display, so you can just go and pick it up from there. Kérastase is not a cruelty-free company, and I will put the ingredient list here for you to see. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this review, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, I suggest you hit that subscribe button. I'll see you all in my next. Bye!